Alright guys, first track day of the year, and well, bad news, I'm not driving the Sky, driving the E39, because I didn't get my hoop done in time, I didn't get my harness put in time, and they don't really let you on tracks without seat belts, so that's that. But I'll show a little bit of track footage of the E39. I'm not pushing it too hard. I haven't really done a full shakedown on this car yet this year. A little cold out, so tires are not getting super warm. It's doing okay. It's fun.
$72 later.
I've never been a big fan of this chrome all over the place and up on the hood here. So I'm going to try to pop that off and make it not chrome anymore. I don't know if there's any place else really on the car. You know, door handles. Not sure if I'll do that to them either. I wish I could crack open the seals on these and make that all black too, but that's going to be a major pain in the ass, so not sure if I'm going to do that. Rear badge. But not too many places to dechrome this thing. We'll just start with the front end, see how it goes. Get this front piece off. There are 10mm nuts. 1, 2, 3, 4 it looks like, and the whole thing should come off. Let's just zip them off and see what happens. Get at the gills, I'm gonna have to take this off, which means popping all these off, which are just standard kind of pressure plugs. Here, took one off already, you can see. So just interior trim. We'll grab enough of them to pull it out of the way, and then we'll take off, or see what we gotta do to take off the front grills. pretty easy. We just have these little press-on clips here. Hopefully I can get those off without breaking the plastic tabs. So there's just one at the top, one at the bottom, and then the whole silver bit pops right out. I think I can probably just use a screwdriver to pop those off. So I got these off, 1 and 2, but this is still stuck in, probably just because there's some seal on this, like there's some weather stripping on the back of it. So it's pretty tough to get out. I may have to get an interior trim tool to pop it the rest of the way, but that should just come off. You can see it's got weather stripping that was double-sided taped all the way around. We're good now. We can paint the top of this. I'm gonna just hit it with some Plasti Dip. Hit everything with a Plasti Dip. Now, Plasti Dip, if I did this right, I should be able to take an X-Acto knife and cut back out and get the cool red there and just peel it back. If I didn't do it right, well, I may have to mask all this and repaint it if I want to get that off. I looked at the back side. There's no way to get the red plate off from the Saturn logo without breaking the plastic and then re-JB welding it, so I decided to go this path. I wasn't sure if this was actually going to work, but it seems like it's working okay. I just take a razor blade and cut right around the insides, and now I can see the red behind this. It's not the prettiest thing in the world, but for track car, it looks okay. It's going to look better. Now these things had these little things in the back that were supposed to hold it in place, and I was really careful to take them off. And as soon as I set it back down, they just broke off. So this is the only one that remains. That means that this 3M stripping is all that's going to be holding these things on, which is pretty much all that was holding it on originally. So I got to peel all the old stuff off and then clean off the hood as well, put some new ones on, and then stick it on, and we're done. I got the goop on the hood here, and I find that honestly the best thing for this is just fingernails and fingers. I don't know of another tool that's going to take this off any better without scratching up the paint underneath it pretty bad. So just got to sit here and do this for a few minutes and hopefully get all this stuff off by just kind of rolling it off with my fingers. All right, so I ended up using just a trim tool to kind of pry all this up, and you can see I've got a giant pile of crap that came off of these, and they're not completely perfect, but it's good enough. There's, nothing big chunky on there that'll make our tape not work. So let's slap that tape on and then go throw it on the car. All right, here we go. Line up our peg hole on the bottom, stick that on the top. And now I got to apply some pressure to it so that sticks down. I'm gonna have to put down the camera for that. Well, the car is completely filthy from sitting out in pollen, and you can see the nice big dent in the hood with the sky reflecting off of it here, but I think that looks a lot better than the chrome. I don't know. If you guys don't like it, I don't care. It's not your car.